All right, good morning. Day 3 of vlogging in Texas. And so, yeah, right now we're at church. And yeah, so I'm just going to be recording through the day.
The time when the doctor said, you're not going to make it through this one. But God. And we'll dance in your presence till you come again. Sing hallelujah, we'll sing hallelujah.
All right, what is up, guys? We just got done at church. And so now we had to do a few errands and stuff, but we should be picking up Haley's friend, Courtney. And then we'll probably hit the road. So we'll probably grab a bite to eat or something like that. And yeah, but I'm going to start recording now. So this is where the fun begins. See you in a second. All right, so we're starting off. We're going to pick up. What are you laughing at, huh? I'm a natural vlogger, so. Getting gas. All right, so we just got the Buc-ee's. Filling up on gas. I think we have about 30 miles left, something like that, till we're at the, I think, hotel. That's where we're going right now. Then we'll check in and then, yeah, go do something. Right now we're at Buc-ee's, one of the bigger gas stations in Texas. Big chain. All right, so we just stopped at Buc-ee's, got some snacks and stuff, and now we have
That's mine.
I have about a little less than an hour to get to the hotel. See you in a second. You just blocked your face.
I just wanted to look right there.
Be careful.
No. Yeah, I like right there. Oh no, right there. Oh wait, it's still in that setting from whenever we were taking those. I think I was like, not a lot now. We wouldn't even land in the water. We wouldn't even land in the water.
I bet I can make it. Why not?
Put someone on Instagram.
What?
Elijah Brown. This is pretty good. I think this one might not actually.
Imagine seeing Bigfoot. That would be dope.
Then we saw these tents and you could dip them up. So I don't know.
They're not tins.
I mean, not tents. I was gonna say. Hi guys. Hi.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. My name's Haley. I have my own podcast. Just kidding. I didn't start it.
Alright, just got to the hotel. You can be nice, Haley.
You could be nice. I could have said that. Where are we going? We're gonna go see the bats. And we're gonna eat our Whataburger. Because he doesn't get Whataburger because he lives in Iowa.
Yes. So we haven't seen any bats yet.
I'm sad.
Hopefully they come out.
So, there was no bats. But we're looking at the stars now.
Oh yeah, look at them stars.
You can't see them on that. That's not a good enough camera. Oh, this is Lady Bird Lake. Oh. We just walk behind them. I am funny. 15 cents.
Alright, you taking us back, right?
Yeah.
On our way back. Living our best life. You can take pictures up here. Show you the results in a second. Alright guys, so we have done a lot today. Other than that, they're still taking pictures back there. And yeah, I think I may end it off here. I'll see if we do anything else. If we do, then I'll add it in. But other than that, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment on this video. Just say pickle. Say something weird. And yeah, let me know what we should do in our next video. And go check out my other channel. Team Crunch Bro. And then JK Sports. And then go check out Las Patatas. All links will be down below. Thanks for watching. And peace. Going to Haley's place, her favorite spot where she's at all the time, but she loves it. We're gonna get a few things and then head back to the hotel. So, see you in a second.
You like this stuff?
All right, we just got back to the hotel. I think we're gonna watch a movie, and that's it for today.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Peace.